Okay, so now that we have the JDK good to go, we're going to download something very powerful, and that is the IntelliJ IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, and that's basically a text editor as you know it, but much more sophisticated. So for example, it allows you to write in various programming languages and gives you all kinds of support to write more productively. It has version control integrated and gives you syntax highlighting to make the code more readable, all that kind of good stuff. So let's go ahead and download this IDE. So to do that, we're going to go to the jetbrains.com website. Again, I'm going to post the URL in the course materials, so you can just click on it if you want. And once you're on the site, you're going to go right here to IDEs, click on IntelliJ IDEA, the most intelligent Java IDE, which also contains Kotlin. And next we're going to go down here to download, click on download. That's completely free. So that's the community edition that JetBrains offers that has not all the features of the paid version, but more than enough for us. So we're going to click on download right here. It's going to take us down here and we want the community edition. So we're going to scroll down, and if you're on a different operating system, this is going to select the right one for you right away. So then you can just click on download, click on save file. And then once the download has finished, again, the same thing. You're going to be guided through the whole installation and just follow through it, decide which directory to install it to, and that's all you need to do. And it's probably going to start JetBrains right away after the installation. So see you in the next lecture where we're going to take a look at the IntelliJ IDE.